Hi everyone, welcome back to PassFab. When you're locked out of your iPhone and search for solutions, they will tell you to restore iPhone with iTunes. But how to unlock iPhone without restore? When your iPhone is connected to network and Find My iPhone is on, you can erase iPhone with Apple ID password. Keep trying Passcode to unlock your iPhone. There will be an Erase iPhone option at the bottom. Click it. Enter your Apple ID password. Your iPhone will be reset. After restarts, you can set it up. If you meet the prerequisite but there is no Erase iPhone button, go to iCloud to erase iPhone remotely. Sign into iCloud. Go to Find iPhone. Click All Devices and select your locked iPhone. Erase it. If you can't erase iPhone with Apple ID, unlock iPhone with PassFab iPhone Unlocker. Get it from PassFab official website. Connect iPhone to the computer. Click Start. If your iPhone is not recognized, follow the instructions to put it into recovery mode. Press volume up and volume down buttons. Hold the side button until the screen shows connected to iTunes. Download the firmware. Click Start Remove. Wait patiently. And you can set up your iPhone again.